Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys laptop setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and off guys snap window. Friends, you want to on and off snap window on your laptop, so how to on and use. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So how to on and use snap window. Friends, click on start button first of all on your laptop. Friends, click on laptop setting. After clicking on laptop setting, friends, you can see this type of interface: display setting, sound setting. Friends, you want to on your laptop notification, so you can on and you can off from here. So friends, we will click on multitasking setting. This multitasking setting is click here, and friends, you can see first snap window automatically resize and arrange window on your screen. So guys, when you will on, so your automatic resize and arrange window, so friends, is off. Your snap window is off on your laptop. So friends, you can on from right side guys, click here. Friends, you can use your snap window on your laptop. Friends, you can see when I snap a window, so what I can snap next to it. So friends, you can on and off this setting from here guys. As you can see, when I snap a window automatically resize it to fill available space, so you can on off, you can off this setting from here guys. So friends, you can on and off your snap window on your laptop. And friends, click on again start button, click on setting. And friends, direct friends, you can find your snap window guys, click on search option, left side snap window. As you can see snap window guys, we will search here and guys, you click on snap window setting. Direct friends, you can find your snap window setting, you can on and you can off and you can use from here guys. So like that guys, we can on and off snap window on our laptop. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt related to guys your laptop, friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.